Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create logo in Canva in a very simple way. You just simply come over into your Google Chrome icon and then you just need to open Canva over here. And from here, you just need to search for logo and then click enter. And then you will get a bunch of logo over here. You can choose any of your sections, but if I choose this one, like I'm choosing this one, customize this logo. And how are you going to customize it? If you want to change the picture, you just simply select the picture, and then if you change the name over here, you can do it as well. You can change the name over here like this, and also you can change the font over here. And if you want to change, if you want to know how many items over here, you just simply click on this background black option, and then here you just need to select the position. And from here you will get all the layers that are in this logo over here. You can customize it by your choice, any of this. After that, if you want to change the color, if you just select on the color, and if you can simply change the color as you want, you can see. And you can also animate it by your choice. It's a logo, so you won't do the animation over here. So yeah, this is how you can customize the logo. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.